Hello viewers, this is Mama Sajidz and you watching Sajid's Take. This video guys, I'm going to talking with you about how you can set a background image of yours or anything others in your YouTube app. It's really awesome for you guys and I hope you really enjoy this and you really want to do this in your YouTube app too. So how you can do this in your YouTube apps in your Android phone. So let's get started this video there. Before that here guys, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get more notification in the future about my updates, and if you're already a subscriber then thanks you guys. So first of all, here you need to install an app in your Android mobile phone, but guys, you will not get this app in the Google Play Store there, and you have to download this app from the outsources of in the Google. And here guys, I'll give you the link in the description below, and here the app name is OZ YouTube, and here it is. You can use it from the Google, and after just downloading this app, you need to just install it in your mobile phone from there. And before just guys install this app in your mobile phone, before that you need to go to the settings to allow the outsource installation there, and for that you need to go to the down, and from the down go to the security option from there. And here they have an option is the unknown sources, allow installation of app from unknown sources. It may be off in your mobile phone, but you need to make it on in your mobile phone so that you can install your outsources from there. And after that you just installing it in your mobile phone, you will get here two apps. There is the one is the downloads, where your all the videos of YouTube will be downloaded there, and here is the another is the OZ YouTube. It's app there, and here is after just installing it you need to go to there and go to the settings, or from here you will get an option of sign in there, and from there you need to just sign in your this app. And after that here it is your all the apps are all the contents are there, and you will get your interface there. And whenever you just on your this link video link here in this there have you will get another option is the download and the background. If you just click here in the download, then that time you can download your video from there too. And here it is the background is the option from where, that means your video is off but you can run it your audio in the background too by just clicking this option. And here it is you can your video is running in the background there, it like audio there, and whenever you just click there that time it just coming there again. And here it is, this is the most advantages of you. It seems to me more awesome for you guys here, and I hope you just really enjoy to use this app in your mobile phone. And I can assure you guys it will not so harmful for your Android mobile, and it's really safe for you guys to in the use, and here you can make it use in your mobile phone too. So there have a question in your mind, it may be that from where this background image will come. This background image will come from there, my background of the wallpaper from there, and which wallpaper you set in your mobile phone, that wallpaper will get there. That means actually the whole app's background is just making the transparent there, and from that they just get it there, and by that you can make your app more awesome there. And they have some other options too, and for that you need to go to the settings from there, go to the OZO settings from there, and there's the default screen is the when opening YouTube in the default. Here's the mobile data, you can set a default quality in your mobile data. When you use any mobile data, that time you can set any default quality from there to use less data in your mobile phone. And here's the default quality in the Wi-Fi network. From here you can also set a default quality in your videos there, which you say there. I request you guys to just check all these options from there. And here it is, this is the download folder, and if you just want to download anything, where it will be downloaded from there, and you can also see the path from there. And here it is the options for you guys, and it's the number of trains there, and the enable speed time, and you can change it from there, and these are the options minimal there. and then go to the general. There have also some options are there. I request you guys to open all the options one by one and watch this option which suit you, then you can just use this there. And so that's it from me guys. Anyway, I think you really like this video, and I hope you also guys want to use this app in your mobile phone. And if you just guys want to use this, then I give you the link in the description below. So that's it from me guys. If you just like this video, then I request you please give a thumbs up this video. And here I have another request for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel again. Thanks for watching this video.